How do you explain division to young learners? Imagine you have a bunch of candies and want to share them equally with friends. That's what division is all about, splitting things into equal parts or groups. It helps us understand how to share fairly and organize things easily. When you give out toys or snacks, you are doing a simple form of division. It makes sharing fun and fair for everyone. Let's think about sharing 10 cookies between two friends. Each friend gets 5 cookies. Here, the total cookies are 10 and the number of friends is 2. The amount each friend gets is called the quotient. The total cookies are called the dividend, and the number of friends is the divisor. If the cookies can't be split evenly, like if you have 11 cookies and 2 friends, then one friend might get 6 cookies and the other 5. The leftover cookie is called the remainder. Using real objects like fruits, blocks, or coins makes understanding division easier. You can physically split the items into groups, which helps see how division works. For example, arrange 10 blocks into 2 rows of 5. This shows that 10 divided by 2 equals 5. It's a visual way to understand how division breaks a big group into smaller, equal parts. Division is also connected to multiplication. If you know that 5 times 2 equals 10, then you can understand that 10 divided by 2 equals 5. They are like opposite sides of the same coin. This relationship helps children see how numbers work together and makes solving problems faster. You can also turn division into a game or activity. For example, children can divide a pile of grapes into small groups or count by twos to practice division and multiplication. Moving around and physically dividing objects makes the concept stick better. It turns learning into a fun activity rather than just a lesson. When division feels tricky, breaking it into smaller steps helps. You can think of dividing 11 cookies into 2 parts by first giving each person 5 cookies and then dealing with the leftover cookie. Using visual models or manipulatives makes it easier to see what is happening step by step. Overall, explaining division to young learners is about making it simple and relatable. Use everyday sharing situations, clear vocabulary, visual tools, and hands-on activities. Show how division helps us share, organize, and understand numbers better. When children see how division relates to their daily lives, it becomes a fascinating way to understand the world of numbers and how they connect with each other.